Hey St. Simon, it's Coach Jeff again. We're adding one more play to our playbook. This play is going to be called number 2. There's 2 reasons we're calling it number 2. The first reason is number 2 is the guy that is dribbling the ball up the court. The second reason is after he dribbles up, he's going to have 2 options. He can either shoot or, as you're going to see, he's going to be able to pass. So, remember, the setup is, here's the full court. We're scoring at this basket. We're taking it out under this basket after the other team just scored. So here's what's going to happen. If you notice, it looks just like number 1 for the most part, where number 1 takes it out of bounds. Number 2 is ready for the pass. Number 3 sets up. They're going to be the screener. Number 4 is in the same spot as before, but instead of number 5 being right next to him, we're splitting these guys. So 4's on this side, 5's on this side. So I'm going to hit play and show you what happens in this play. Okay, so let me set it up one more time. What you're going to see is the difference between play number 1 and play number 2 is instead of number 3 coming up, setting the pick, and number 2 going around for a layup, what's happening now is number 2 can go around, either shoot a layup, or number 5 cuts to the basket and number 2 passes it to them. Because what's going to happen is once we run number 1 enough times, their defense is going to start to know, and they're going to start to come over, stop number 2, and then number 5 is going to be wide open for a layup. So I'm going to play it again and talk through it. So 1's going to pass to 2. Remember, if you're number 1, you go back down to the bottom. 2 comes up, waits for the pick from 3. 2 goes around, dribble right toward the middle. If 5's defender comes, number 5 goes toward the basket. 2 passes it to him. Remember, everyone comes in for the layup. So I'm going to play it one last time. 1 throws into 2. 1 goes to their spot. 2 goes up, waits for the pick from number 3. Dribbles around to the right, dribbles in. If that defender comes over, number 5 goes to the basket, 2 throws it to him, and 5 makes a layup. Alright, so make sure you learn each spot, what number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 do on every play. Learn every spot, so during the game I can yell, okay, you're number 2, and you should know where to set up. Alright, I'm going to send your parents just the play, so you can watch it a few times. Then I want you guys to draw it on a piece of paper so you know exactly what to do in the game, because we're going to have everybody try to play every position during the game. All right, we'll see you Saturday.